The purpose of this video is to explain how in Innoslate you can export your project. So you're on your particular project, click on the folder icon and go down to Manage Projects. I have a lot of projects shared with me, so this is why it's taking a while. Okay, so now I need to find the project that I was looking to share. So say I want to share this project. So notice here, I have a set of menus. I'm going to then click on Export this project as .inno. Okay, on the menu, I'm going to click the Export button. And then in the dialog box, I'm going to choose where to do the export. This is like the just standard Windows thing. And click Save. And then that's it. My project is exported and is ready for import by somebody else.